Hello student, in the chapter Natural Resource, today I explain about the one of the important sphere which help in the making a biosphere. This is the atmosphere. So today's our topic is atmosphere. Before I start the atmosphere, one short recap about the natural resources. The natural resources on earth are air, water, soil, minerals and living organism. The outer crust of the earth is the lithosphere. The water on the earth is the hydrosphere, and layer of the air around the earth is the atmosphere. So today I explain about the atmosphere. Atmosphere covering the earth like a blanket, and it is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and other gases. Among these, nitrogen present in very high percentage, then oxygen and CO2 present in very less percentage, approximately 0.3%, but in present situation this percentage is more increased in our atmosphere. It's okay student. So the composition of air is the resultant of life on the earth. Why say that's way? Because we know that we have some another planet like Venus and Mars where no life is known to exist, because the major component of atmosphere is found to be carbon dioxide. In fact, carbon dioxide constitute up to 95 to 75% of the atmosphere on Venus and Mars. So it is the know that the life is not possible on Venus and Mars, but the composition of these gases on Earth help in the or promote the life on Earth. Another thing student, in Earth surface nitrogen actually present in very large percentage, but atmospheric nitrogen not directly used by the maximum living organism. Directly transaction of the gases in atmosphere are the oxygen and carbon dioxide. First use of these gases are in the process of respiration. Student, during respiration, living organisms use oxygen to break down glucose and get energy for their activities. This results in the release of carbon dioxide. Second, very important is the combustion. Burning of fuel also use oxygen and release carbon dioxide. And third, most important intake of carbon dioxide during the process of photosynthesis. All green plants convert carbon dioxide into glucose in the presence of sunlight, and this result in the release of oxygen. This is some very important use of air for the survival of any life. Another very important thing regarding this topic is the how CO2 fixed by living organism. Student, you can say CO2 fixed by living organism by two following steps. First one is by the process of photosynthesis, CO2 can fixed into the carbohydrate or glucose, formula is C6H12O6. And second, marine animals absorb atmospheric carbon dioxide and form carbonic acid, and this further converted into carbonate ion and used by marine animal to make shell. And it is very good example. Everyone, maximum students know about the shank. This is one of the example of the fixation of CO2. That's all, student. Thank you.